recipe. All the ingredients, which we will be using today, are laid on the table. Let me make you familiar with the ingredients. We will need a pan, 1 liter, around 4 cups of milk, 340 grams macaroni, 200 grams shredded cheddar cheese, a wooden spoon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, and a serving bowl. So, we have everything which is required to prepare the macaroni and cheese. Let's get started. Use the grip to grab the knot and rotate it clockwise until it's set to medium heat. Grab the milk container. Pour the milk in the pan, which is on the stove. Grab the bowl of macaroni. I am highlighting the same for you. Pour the macaroni in the pan. Place the empty bowl back. Grab the wooden spoon. Put the wooden spoon in the pan, and use a stirring motion to stir macaroni and milk, until milk reaches the boiling point. Put the wooden spoon back on the table. Use the grip to grab the knob, and rotate it counterclockwise, until it's set to low heat. Let me help with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Adding 1 teaspoon salt. Now adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And let's add 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Grab the wooden spoon. Put the wooden spoon in the pan, and use a stirring motion to mix everything properly. Also, keep it gentle so that macaroni doesn't. Put the wooden spoon back. Use the grip to grab the knob, and rotate it counterclockwise, to turn off the heat. Grab a pan. I am highlighting the same for. Pour the mixture from the pan, to the serving bowl. Pour the mixture from the pan. Place the empty pan back on the stove. Now, let's mix the cheddar cheese. Shredded cheese is already on the table. Grab the cheese bowl. I am highlighting the same for you. Pour the cheese in the serving bowl. Grab the wooden spoon. Put the wooden spoon in the serving bowl, and use a stirring motion to mix cheese and macaroni evenly. Keep it gentle to ensure that macaroni. Put the wooden. Congratulations! You have successfully